How to find someone who changed their username on Instagram. If you're finding someone and you think they have changed your username, it's really simple to do. You simply want to head over to your app store, and once inside, you want to go ahead and make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. In order to make sure that you have this feature that we are going to be talking about today. Right after updating Instagram right here, you can just go ahead and open up Instagram, and from there, you want to go ahead and navigate through the person that you want to look at. Now in my case, let's just go ahead and say that I want to look at this person right here, and this person is familiar but their username has been changed. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and click on the three dots at the corner of the screen, and this menu will show up. From here, you want to click on About This Account. Once inside, you have the complete information for this account, date joined, account based, former username, and accounts with shared followers. If they change their username, you can then go ahead and see this option right here. Now unfortunately, you cannot go ahead and see their previous username, but you can get an idea whether this specific profile right here has changed their username. Now if we then navigate through a something like this one, you can then go ahead and see that this specific profile right here hasn't changed their username because we don't have that specific option. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.